live long and prosper. Gabriel, what's going on? I don't think everybody knows that I'm live. I didn't introduce myself. The script's kind of going live. This is the BTC pair for DigiByte. I gotta check, make sure everything looks good on this end. So the BTC pair for DigiByte is what we're looking at. It's coming down just a little bit, but guys, I think it's going to. Let's just make sure. Just make sure I'm live real quick. I gotta go to my channel. I'll explain what I got going on. Okay. Yep. I'm trying to see on my phone because sometimes these charts do not, they bleed. They might look a little better on screen, but if you're looking on the phone, watching this on your phone, it looks really crappy. So that's why I have to zoom in as much as I can. So there's a lot of movement here, guys. If I'll try to stay steady if there's a lot of movement, it's because I know that people that have like phones, it's you can't really see what I'm talking about. I have to zoom in really close. This is the Ichimoku cloud on the BTC and the DGB pair. I'm going to back out and I'll show you what I'm talking about. See that? See how freaking bullish this is? We broke this and we reached let me just take, we reached up here, got rejected right here. Okay, so we didn't make another higher high, but it's about to get sickening here for DigiByte. I could have been wrong last night. I said, guys, I don't think we're going to moon from here or have this huge freaking rally. But when you look at DigiByte's history, like on Coinbase or TradingView or CoinMarketCap, there was two pumps for DigiByte, 1 to 6 cents and 1 to 14 cents in the same year. So that was phenomenal. So I'm thinking that we could see a really good rally here, and I'll show you a couple of reasons why. So if people are chatting, go ahead and chat. If people are viewing, go ahead and continue viewing. I'm just going to stay on the chart and show you what I see. So this is the Ichimoku cloud right here, okay? And I am on the year. Wait. No, I'm on the 6. So here we go. So what I'm seeing here is this huge widened area, okay? you got this, for some reason, there's a green uh, agitator line that's following the price like a ghost over here, okay? Let's make sure everybody can see that. Okay. And you have this blue line that's literally following, you know, uh, the candles. The candles are moving either right on it, above it, whatever. Then you got this weird, the last ditch resort here, the red. But I found out that this red and this green flips. The blue stays the same. If it goes bearish, this red goes up here on the top, and the green goes on the bottom if it goes bearish. If it's bullish, this is what you see. The green line is above DigiByte's price action, the candles, and the red is underneath, okay, acting as support, okay? Kind of weird, but anyway, that's what's going on now. Uh, this cloud is green. That's good. It's a good bullish uh, uh, support. Okay, so that means if DigiByte retraces and it hits this cloud, in theory, it's supposed to support it. Depends on the cloud, but really depends on this green, this green ghost here. I think it works in tandem with the cloud. If this green line goes through when DigiByte's price gets close to the cloud, okay, and if this green line goes past this red line here and it goes through the cloud, we're in trouble. But right now, I'm not seeing any of that. We're really wide here, so this is really good. Okay, um, so let's go back. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I know it looks like a mess, but just bear with me. Like I said, if you see a lot of movement, it's because I want you guys to be able to see this and zoom up. Now, this was at like almost 4 cents, okay, before it dropped, and we had like a cup and handle thing. So this is the previous high. So here's that green line I was telling you about, and there's that red line. Let me zoom in a little closer. All right, this green, okay, went through the candle bodies, okay, through the price action candles, and crossed this red line right here. See, before it was on top and it never crossed this red. The red was always on the bottom, okay? For now, right here, for some reason, because of this retracement, it was heading towards the cloud, this green cloud. So my understanding, just because it's green over here doesn't mean it's going to stay uh, um, on an uptrend. Right here is this green line that's supposed to stay up through the candles and go up, cross this red line, and then we got rejected off the candles, this green line, and went right through the Ichimoku cloud, and then stayed under the candles. Look at this green. It's under the candles. We try to break through there. We broke through the candles. We went through that red line. All right, we're bullish. The last thing it has to do to really be bullish is crack through the Ichimoku cloud, and we didn't do it, and it just goes down. As long as this green line is under the candle bodies, okay, it's a bearish all through and through, and that's what delivers these red Ichimoku clouds. So the clouds, these green clouds and the red clouds, the candle bodies hit the clouds and bounce or get rejected. So it bounce on it right here. See how it bounces right here? It hits the clouds green. Yay, we're good. Yay, we're good. The only way we're good on these green clouds is if the red or the sorry, the green line is above the candle bodies. Do you see that? Because if it's not, this is what happens. See, the candles hit this green right here. It hit this green cloud, but look what this green line did. It went underneath through the candle bodies, underneath the candle bodies, through the Ichimoku cloud. And that's how you can tell that this wasn't going to be bouncing. The candle went down. This ghost green candle went down through the cloud. And yeah, it went bearish. Okay. Another thing is that's what the red did too. For a little bit, the red was flipped above the candle. So red means resistance on that flip. Now let's go back all the way to where I was. This is where we are now. Actually, one more time. That way you guys can understand what I'm saying. One more time. Okay? One more time. I know some of you guys might say I'm an idiot, but let's just explain it one more time. All right, you understand that as long as this green line is above the candle bodies and these candles are bouncing off the red line, okay, we're bullish. The moment this green line goes through the candle bodies like it did right here, okay, and stayed under the candle bodies and then through that Ichimoku cloud, we're bearish, okay? The green went through the Ichimoku cloud. So it didn't go right away. It went through under the candle bodies right here in November 25th. And then over here, it went through the cloud and went back under the candle bodies. That's a bad sign. When was that? Right here, November 27th. So 2 more days after that, confirmed bearish. Okay. You guys understand? Look at that, freaking bearish. Okay, you understand? I'm glad you guys understand now. Now, look what the Ichimoku is doing now. All right. So, this green line was underneath the candle bodies for a very long time. Okay. It was kind of getting squeezed with the cloud and the candles. Not a lot of volume here. It was kind of dead. Okay. But then you see this green line that was so bearish under the candles for a long time pop through. Okay. Pop through the candles bodies and the Ichimoku cloud at the same time. So that happened the 25th of January. And when that happened, this was our bullish trend. So it's kind of scary when you see this green line go in the body candles because it could stay within the body candles and stay above it eventually, or it could like freaking this green line continues going through the body candles and then continues going through the Ichimoku cloud. It's going to go bearish again, but it didn't do that. It like stayed above within this mess and stayed above the candle body. Do you see that? See how this green line is just staying above the candle body? Okay. And the candles are touching the Ichimoku cloud, although it's not much. You can't see much, okay? Because we're on the 6. I'm not on the daily or the 5-day or the minute. We're on the 6. All right. So you could see the candle bodies bouncing on the Ichimoku for support, right? Big jumps now. Boom. Support, up again. Now, let's just hope that this is support again. But what you got to watch is, now this thing could be like this. This thing could be like this, okay? And it could run right into these candle bodies. But look how far away the Ichimoku cloud is. This green line has to cross through the candles, through this red line right here that's acting as support for right now. through the Ichimoku cloud and stay under the candle bodies if these candle bodies go through the Ichimoku cloud as well. So that if this is underneath, man, let me get rid of this. If this green line goes through all of it and stays underneath the candle bodies, when the candle bodies will flip underneath the Ichimoku cloud as well, then we're bearish. But look how wide we are. Look how wide we are, man. It's pretty good. I like that. Okay, I don't have to worry about this thing, man. The blue lines like showing you where the candle, where the trend's going. Um, it's really close to the candles. And the red is acting like support. So for the candles. But if these candles break through that red and try to get to the candle or to this Ichimoku cloud, and goes through the cloud, watch out for this line over here going through. Now, what I'm seeing here is the blue line for the Ichimoku. This I don't know if all Ichimoku clouds act this way. Usually, you just see the cloud itself only, but you have these lines, right? I think the blue is representing the candle bodies. Okay, I think the blue line's following the candle bodies. I think this red right underneath the blue and the candle bodies is representing this red right here, right? And then this green is that's showing us it's bullish so far is representing this top green. Okay, so these spaces of the cloud, right, is showing us how large of a space this is, uh, where the candles are within the body or within the green and red line. So it's just showing us like a cloud that's the same increases and decreases of the candle body staying in between this green line and the red line. And I think that's how it's being formed here. Okay. So what I noticed was if this green line goes through the candle bodies, go underneath this red line and goes through the Ichimoku cloud and stays under it and then stays under the candle bodies, we're going down for a little bit, unless if it's fake out and goes back up. But right now, what I'm saying is we don't have to worry about that on the BTC and the DGB pair. Okay. From the looks of it, it looks pretty bullish. Yeah, nothing but up from here. I mean, it's just going like these candles. I mean, if you just go by the candles and not the Ichimoku cloud, and you'll do trend lines, you'll find out the trend lines are so uppity up. I chose this so I can see what the heck was going on because DigiByte's just going straight up on these candles, man. And it's hard to chart. So that's where I started popping out the Ichimoku cloud. Like when one indicator doesn't work, you gotta pick another indicator. That's just how you do it. I'm gonna go to do the same thing for. Let's see if I can. Oh, I gotta exit full screen. Great. So this is looking good. I'm gonna go to. We might have some sell pressure here. That's okay. People think the traders, all they gotta do is just hold it. Dang, man. I mean, that's all they gotta do. So let's just go to the DGB All right, is this it? Let's see. Yeah, this is it. Because we got some scammy wicks. That's great. The scam wick went right in the Ichimoku cloud and got bought right back up. All right, same thing here, guys. It looks like a mess at first, but this is going to show you clear as day right here. Clear as day on the Ichimoku cloud that this green line, like I said, was on top of the candle bodies, so bullish that DigiByte went up 100% on this move, okay? And it finally reached, just the green line reached 3.7 cents. So like three, a little over 3.5 cents. And then it started. Look at it. It started mimicking the candles right here, and it crossed through the candle bodies. This green line that was supposed to stay above, it crossed through these candle lines too. But notice it didn't go like back here, but it was still bullish. But notice it didn't go through the blue and under the red and then through the cloud. Okay, that's not what that's not what it did the whole time. It just stayed above, went through the candle, stayed above that red line. See, it even bounced off that red line right there. See that? Just bounces on it and just goes up. Same thing there. It bounced on the red line, went up. If there's no candle body, great. As long as it doesn't cross that red line and stay under it and then go through the cloud, you're good. And I repeat myself over and over because sometimes I got to hear myself say it so I can understand it myself. But anyway, it stays above these candle bodies. This is where it started getting jitters, okay? See how this green line is mimicking these two, okay? You'll also see this, okay, right here. See? Right here. Right there and right there. Okay? Now this red pinches, the red line pinches through the candle bodies through the second little mound here. So mound one, mound two. Okay? We'll just call it mountain one, mountain two. The red line went through the candle bodies. So it's reversing. The green line went through the candle bodies, crossed the red line right there, and went through the Ichimoku. Okay? So bad news, bad news. And then the red went through the candle bodies and stayed up above the candle bodies, okay, through the Ichimoku. But it's on top, man. So not good. Just did a change of direction, okay, and we went bearish. Now the green's always on the bottom, and the red line's always on the top of the candles, okay. And then you see that huge, like, red Ichimoku cloud, just the candle bodies getting rejected off it. But yeah, so as long as this green line's on top, USD DGB is the chart. We're bullish, and as long as this the candle bodies don't go through the cloud, and the green stays under through the cloud under the candle bodies, we're still bullish. Okay, so that's what we want. We want to see bullishness. Okay, so let's go. And the same thing for when the green goes back through the cloud on top of the candle body. See? Oh, there it is. See? It flipped there. The red stayed underneath the candle bodies for the most part, and then the green was above the candle bodies until we crossed it again. So it's a little messy. It's real messy unless if you're actually looking at it yourself. Okay? All right. But this is clear as day, bullish. See that? It's not so messy, not so tight, not so choppy. This is messy and choppy, dude. You can't. This is what I'm saying. You really can't use the Ichimoku cloud here on this stupidity. So you couldn't use this indicator, not reliably anyway, until now. See that? Look at that beauty. All right. So the green here flipped instead of underneath it. Literally made some separation. The green line made some separation from the candle body. Huge jump right here, even though the candles are way down below the green Ichimoku. This is funny. Now look what the candles did. Because this green line jumped up, the candles followed the momentum. Okay? See that? This green line, that's an indicator that the trend is changing, even though it's still underneath the bearishness of the cloud. Boom, look at that. Broke through the cloud. The candle, this line brought the candle out from underneath the cloud, getting rejected. And then this green line brought it to support. Look at that. The candle bodies are on the green line for support. And then finally the green line went back up above the candle and stayed above the candles. Okay. See, I don't know if that was a little confusing, but because the candles looked like it was crossing the blue, or the blue was following the candles, but the red and the green kind of merged here. But this was a huge indication that this thing was going to swing up, okay? Because this green line went uh, upwards, and then the whole candle body just followed it. Ain't that great? And then the green line went sideways, which, there's still a huge separation from the green line and this Ichimoku cloud. Man, what a tongue twister. Um, and then it got tight again, right? And the candle body, look, it almost flipped. That's why this green line almost went under. It did. It went underneath the red, but then it came back above the red. Why did it go underneath the red? Well, the candle bodies broke through the cloud. That would be a negative thing, right? It'd be a little bearish, but it didn't stay. So it worked its way through the cloud, and then slowly the green stayed above that red line. Okay. And then finally, we broke out of that mess. See that? Finally, we broke out. Okay. So we were getting support, the candle bodies, support on the cloud, support on the cloud. We didn't even hit the cloud here. Neither here, though. But anyway, see, not all the time does the Ichimoku cloud, when it's green, means it's support. But look at the candle wick. This, I think I was doing like live yesterday. Right here, I think I bought like $3,000 over here. And I believe other people were too, because look at this. It tried to dump on us. And those idiots got their short squeeze on them. Where they're just weak hands. We got diamond hands. But that's not code for Wall Street bets. So don't say I'm colluding. But anyway, you can see on the chart there's a wick that went try to go down, and the cloud. This is a great indicator for the cloud. That if it does this, then the cloud's bullish. Okay, bullish Ichimoku cloud. It's a little wider than these, also. But look, I have no worries about this thing. See how this green line before this, where we're at, before we broke out, right here at the 5 cents, and before we went to the 7 cents, this green line went through the candle bodies. Now it's just showing you it's consolidating. It's moving sideways for a little bit, trying to catch a breath before it can go up. But still, it's a risky factor. When you see that, you got to pay attention to that green line and see the candle bodies going down. You're like, oh no. Like if none of this was there, right? And you're like, oh no, it's going towards the Ichimoku cloud. Hopefully it acts like support, right? And it did. But on the red line it did. Now, why didn't it hit this cloud? Why didn't the candle bodies hit the cloud? Because this green line started chugging away upwards, and it pulled the candles up off the cloud. That's what it did. That's what this green line's doing. It's pulling the candles up. See? See, it moves upwards. And then the candles, they're kind of lagging here. See, the candles were red right here. Candles were freaking red right here. Chasing the Ichimoku cloud right here. Trying to get through it because it's so thin. But look how high the green line is. And it whiplashed the candles upwards. I mean, guys, I don't know anything about these indicators. I haven't even studied them. I've just been doing it myself. And I think I freaking explain it pretty good myself just looking at it. So hopefully you guys can learn something from this. I'm sure someone that knows how to use this thing, that idiot doesn't know what he's talking about. He doesn't know what that green line's called. He doesn't know what the blue line's called. He doesn't know what the red line's called. Let me get Wall Street bets up here. He doesn't know what this cloud is doing in this wick. Well, I don't really care what you think until it actually shows something different that doesn't rhyme over and over and over and over. And I tell you something and it doesn't do it, um, then I'm an idiot. Okay, but it's just following price action. That's all it's doing. Look, this green line is following the price action. Okay, and that's what it's doing. Was it following the price action over here? Yes. Even if it was over here, even this is where DigiByte was, right here in this red candle, right? The green was still like floating around, creating the green. At the same time, this was red. So it was just following price action, except this green line was pulling it out to make a bullish move. Same thing here. Okay, this green is still trying to make. Actually, I've been seeing DigiByte fight this for so long, man. Let's see. It almost hit 7 cents. Okay. Hey, let's. Why can't I move this? What's the deal here? Um. Okay. I don't know why. Hold on. Why can't I move it? Let's just do that then. Okay. There. Oh, now I can move it. That's retarded. Um. So. So we never touched this green Ichimoku cloud until we scan wicked it and it went up. Um. Let's look at, and the green line's still way up here. Okay, and so the candle bodies never touched the Ichimoku cloud and it went up. And let's just check it out. Let's see what happens here. Is that what happened over here? Yeah. We never touched it. See that? I don't know what that means. Maybe it means bullishness. I don't know. It never freaking touched it. We didn't need to touch it and it went up. And there's this huge separation from the green. So if this green if the green line, okay, yanked the candles like a magnet away from, like pulled it away from the cloud, that's cool. It's bullish on this chart that I'm seeing, and it stayed above the red line. Hey, great. The candle bodies stayed above the red line. And then the green line went through. They have to meet eventually, right, at the candle body. And then the green line went way bullish, more than that one. And look, there's so much sellers right here in the red candles. It had to touch the or the Ichimoku, but it freaking popped. Look, it touched it. Great, but this green line popped it up. Look, because it whiplashed right up. Right, it's like the green line's making the highs where these candles are going to go. Pop, boom, target reached, sealed. And then it's like the cloud is showing you where it potentially could go, if where it could go, like if it goes over here where like the candle bodies get sold, and then the candle body sold through the cloud. It's an indicator, hey, the cloud won. If the candle body stayed underneath, it's going bearish. And this thing over here is just whipping it upwards where it's showing you a target. See? Target reached. Target reached. Target reached. So there's huge separation here. That's all I'm saying. Like, I'm not worried if DigiByte, you know, uh, does this, you know. Oh, let's get rid of that. I'm not worried if DigiByte does that and touches the cloud, and hopefully, just like pictures I was seeing over there. I love drawing for you guys. You guys love me drawing for you guys. It's going, whatever this green line, it's got to mimic mimic the red. So something like this, right? That's what it's going to do. And then probably, because we're so freaking bullish, do that kind of pattern right there. Uh, we'll do it one more time for the green. Um, for the red, sorry. The red is the candle bodies, guys. And the candle bodies, because the green line's so high, has to follow where the green line is. And see, just like that. See that? Beautiful picture, right? See? Let's do it again. Green. And the candles reach. This is the red line. The candles reach. So the green line's like, it's basically going to go through the candles again. Making sense? And this Ichimoku is just going to continue as long as it stays underneath everything. We're good. This is just looking really bullish, guys. Hugely bullish. So I'm not worried about it. This is the USD DGB. So pretty cool stuff. Pretty cool stuff that I'm learning just by just sitting at my computer, man. Just watching how these things work. Looking at previous history, Um, because I try to do this. How about this? Let's check out you guys. Let's see what you guys are saying. Let me just remove all that. Let me remove this. You guys probably left. You're like, screw this guy. Remove all indicators. Yeah, let's just. Hey, I thought I said. Oh, it's not an indicator. That's right. It's a drawing. Okay. Removed. Let's first see what you guys are saying. All right, we got some talkage. What is uppy? Um, Good morning from Portugal. Good morning, Leo. Phil. Subscript. Got some friends in DGB last June would give me crap about price. Now they can stop asking me about DGB and cryptos. Laugh out loud. DGB always the first crypto I make them buy. Exactly. I got my friend that was always telling me about DigiByte. He'd always tell me for 3 years, man, shut up, quit talking to me about that crypto crap. And then he realized, like today, we were at a get together, like a church dinner. He said, I'm thinking about putting all my money in DigiByte. I didn't say nothing. I had to hold back my laugh. And I told him, well, um, your wife is telling me I'm making you do it. Am I making you do it? He's like, no. I'm like, okay. I think his wife is just super like scared about it. But I'm not making him. He's crypto has that effect on people. Stocks don't have that effect on people unless if it's GameStop, right? Or AMC or Wall Street Bets. Stock has never really had me freaking going. Oh yeah, oh, I need to get some stocks. Um, anyway, let's move on. Snippy getting ready to bust out his what Digirudo? What it Digirudo? Right? What is that? I don't know what that means. Sorry, Phil. I'm I'm 40 years old, man. What up, G Slick? Um, how high will the rate be at DigiByte? Um, the rate. You mean like how high is this thing gonna go, or like the ratio, or yeah, it's gonna go high. uh, yeah, like Phil's like, you mean price? Me too. Like, okay, price, yeah. Um, GGB will with minor pullbacks, it's GGB's time to explode higher highs from here on out. That's right, from here on out. Once Coinbase lists this coin, like they have said a couple days ago, this will shine really. They said that, or did you say this? Um, uh, like that have said, they have said, or yeah. I mean, there's a potential listing. There's 11 of them being looked at before the 44 grand total of whatever coins. A lot of them that are unknown. Let's see. It's an Australian instrument, I believe. What is the thing I couldn't? You talking about the what was it? The Dingarudo or the Digirydo. Oh man, dang man, I got to be Australian to pronounce that. I didn't know Australian was pronunciation was so hard. Um, oh, Diggery do Diggery do. That's even worse. Thank you for trying to break that down, Phil. Oh gosh, is an instrument he plays to hype up DGB. I'm 40 as well. Oh, awesome, man. Uh, dang, get off my. Let's see here. All right, let's go back to the charts. I know you guys aren't here to watch me read your guys' comments. Um, you need to get what Matt slash crypto currently back. Yeah, I like Matt. He's cool, man. We will. I will. All right, Phil. That's in the works. I'm just glad to be all your guys' uh, friendly neighborhood script Skynet, talking to a little bit of everybody, anybody really. Uh, Now that DGB is finally moving, he's a good dude. Yes, he is. All right, back to why I was using the Ichimoku cloud. Um, Probably because I couldn't see where DigiByte was going. It was just I need that for the BTC pair anyway. I wanted to see bullishness. I wanted to see what it was doing, even though it's fighting right now for price, but that's okay. Um, but I was also considering this, right? So a while back, I was doing the pitchfork. Okay. Mm, Not like that. Hold on. Let's go back to this. Probably this right here. All right. Was it this? Why isn't it working out? I don't know. There it is. Is that it? Yeah. Kind of. Let me see. That's what I wanted. Okay. Let's make sure it's all okay. See that? This rainbow, this medium red medium line, and then the rainbow lines. They're all median lines. If you guys ever do this yourself, you just right click the pitchfork and you get it's like this on TradingView. I think also it's pretty similar, right? Really similar. I think all these chart exchanges like Binance and all that. Correct me if I'm wrong. They literally have like almost the same uh, UI on it. So right click, you get serious the same words in the same category. Uh, but anyway, let's see. You go to settings, right? So if you right click the pitchfork, you go to settings, and you can like adjust these things any way you want. Okay, like the bars, right? I just made the main median line really small. You don't want to do that. I don't want to make it huge either. I just make it kind of like right there, just enough where I can see it. But yeah, you get all the median lines right here, and so you can change the background, I guess. Oh yeah, you can. This is this is why I said rainbow, yo, bro. But that yeah, okay. So I want to be able to see what the heck I'm doing, right? So I gotta make it transparent. All right. But anyway, that's how you make your own pitchfork. Okay, colors and all that jazz, and the lines. You can just add lines or change up the lines. Um, you can make it the green. I made the green dotted lines here. I made them dotted. I made the red dotted too. I don't know why I did that. I'm an artist. I like just jacking around. I'll be honest with you. I don't know. I don't really know what the dotted lines mean. Um, anyway, DigiByte earlier respected this thing. Oh wait, is that off just a hair? Yeah, it was. It's off just a hair. Thought I was exactly on it here. What's up with that? Oh yeah, okay, yeah. So as you can see, DigiByte went up, hit the blue top median, and then went all the way down to the lower blue median. That's where I measured it from its lower low or previous low, like lower low. And so you can see this median line literally almost is lined up with these rejections, major rejections, okay? And then it kind of like, you can see how it's like having support on the bottom of this blue line just from this low. It's kind of phenomenal how uh, this indicator, the pitchfork, really lines up so far with harmony with this thing, man. It really it's really phenomenal. But let me make sure. Let me just make sure. Looks good to me. Well, anyway, so then you can see this. It stayed. I see this blue. I made this blue and the blue up here. If this candle bodies of DigiByte, the price action stays in these blue lines, right? I think I got a good chart here. But if it breaks out of the blue lines, then that means, we're in danger zone here. Danger, danger, danger. Oh, we're down. We're going down. We're not even in the channels, or these are channels, by the way. They're channels. I've been calling them lines. But DigiByte broke out of this danger red channel. So if I was a trader, this is a huge sell signal if it got rejected right here. And I guess if I was a shorter, then I'd be shorting people. I guess I don't know, but that would have been a good indicator to do it. But I'm gonna leave this right here. I'll leave that alone. Okay. Um, I'll tell you why. So we got rejected out. So we fell out of this pitchfork. So technically, the pitchfork is done. You wouldn't use it. You'd readjust it from this high to that low, and then shift it, and then the pitchfork literally goes this way and it respects everything there amazingly. And then look what I'm. This is the reason why I left it there. This is the reason why I left it there. Look, it's going up. It's going. Whoa, whoa. That yeah, it's going up. All right. We just ruined that. Hold on. Let me fix it. Look how amazing it fixed. Look, it's like really huge A, but when I brought it over here, look, it kind of. That's interesting. Okay. Anyway, let me make sure that this is on the right there. Exactly. Sorry, guys. I was jacking around. That's what happens when you gesture around. Anyway, we broke out of it. Look, we just found our way and got rejected off that same red line. Ain't that freaking something? Ain't that freaking something, man? So what's going on here is the question. Maybe nothing. I don't know. But looks like DigiByte wants to get back in these wants to get back into this old pitchfork trend channels. Wouldn't that be cool? And I have a feeling if DigiByte gets in these channels, guys, I mean, look at the channels, dude. Look where the channels are reaching. That's 70. That's, whoa, that's, what is that? 80 cents is that top red line. Look at that. So I'm just saying, guys, I'm sorry this could be like the freaking bullish candle we have ever seen in our entire lives for DigiByte. Look where it is. If this is the first rejection and it goes down, I'm going to call that the first pump that DigiByte had previous. It went to 6 cents, then it went down, and then it went to 14, right? And 14 next is right here. That's 14, guys. So last time DigiByte, it was basically a nothing. It was a nothing line for DigiByte's price, and then it went to 6. Like there was none of this like cool uh, natural growth, and then finally go. Guys, you understand. Let me try to. Yeah, you understand. No, what is going on? Do I need to back out? Get out of here. How do I? Let's just straighten it up. Let's see. Bingo. Okay. Shoot. I don't know how to fix this, guys. Is it going like this? I guess I can't zoom out as cool as I wanted to. It won't let me. It just let me zoom in right there. Huh. Anyway, that's like. So this is really good ground. We made a bunch of natural growth before when we reached this right here, the first pump, 2000 in 2017. It was 6 cents. There was just a straight line, guys. There's no momentum, no structure, no nothing. DigiByte pumped. So this is going to tell us something. It's literally showing us like freaking DigiByte's about to do something way bigger than just, you know, way bigger than just like a pump and then a dump with two mountains after it, and then another pump to 14, and then a dump with two mountains after it, and then falling and capitulating under market structure, waiting for a whole nother year of the bear market. You know what I mean? After the first two mounds of the bear market, right? So like 3 years of the bear market before DigiByte finally got to 0.0023. Um, but anyway, so what I'm saying is we're here right now at a little under 6.5 cents. That's amazing, guys, and we haven't even pumped. I think this is the pumperage. the pumpery right here. I think we're going to see our first pumpery right here. If we get back in these, if we get back from this early trend line, guys, if we get back in here and we get up in here, that's, I mean, shoot, guys, that's $1 right here. Look at that. That's $1. Let's do the um boom. Let's move it down just a hair. Boom. There it is, guys. Everybody wants that dollar. It's through the rainbow and through the woods. There's your dollar. Let's see. I think the fractal is showing 70 cents. I think that's what this is. Let's go here. Let's do it again. 70 cents. Right. Boom. Okay. So there's the 70 cents. There's the dollar. And there's DigiByte. About to get back into this original bullish channel from 6.5 cents to, well, according to where it's at right now, to, if DigiByte just keeps going straight up, let's just say it does. Which is, hey guys, do your own research. I'm not your financial advisor. This is just entertainment purposes only. I'm not Crypto Kirby. I'm not Dan from Crypto Capital Venture. Yeah, okay. Are you with me? Okay. 0.35 cents top of this channel, and we're at 6.5 cents right now. It's below this channel. Imagine if we got in this channel, guys. Dude, could this be the slingshot that we're looking at for the first pump? What if DigiByte first pumps right at this medium line? Boom. That's 15 cents. And then it gets rejected. And then it hits this, right? The oh no, danger Will Robinson zone. Instead of breaking down, and then it goes freaking dollar. What do you think? What if it does that, man? I'm just saying, guys, like, this could happen. Like, we get rejected right here at the 15 cents, come back down at the 7 cents, smash through this freaking thing, we hit a freaking dollar. Wouldn't that be, actually, hold on, can I take that back? Can I take that? No, I don't want to move that. Let's take this back. I want to take that back. This is what it looks like. Get rejected right here. Bounce off right here. Smash through this right here. Reach 70 cents. Go back to 44 cents. And then reach our dollar. But on that trajectory, if that's, I mean, this is probably just freaking scribbling, dude. You can count for scribbling. And for all the professional traders out there that want to make fun of this video, go ahead. He that has the last laugh, laughs best. So when I see you laugh, make a video of this, I will laugh harder after you, because it is funny. It is funny. This video is freaking entertainment. Anyway, if we look at this, we're almost in that channel. We're almost back in that channel, guys. Just think about it. It's respected it for so long and it fell out. Imagine if we just stayed in this channel and broke above this median line. We should have been already there. We should have already been at 13 cents, 14 cents, 15 cents. But we didn't. We needed to cool off. And now we're rounding the bottom out, the new bottom, and going higher. Man, it wants to go in that. It wants to get in here. Look at that. Oh, it wants to get in. Come on, guys. We need to get in there. Oh, it did get in there. Oh, man, we almost had support on it. Look at that, guys. We almost freaking did it. Sheesh. Oh, look, it wants to go up. Maybe I should put $1,000 in, see if it won't move it, guys. Um, there's people playing with like 50 grand moving this thing. But this is kind of interesting, man. It really is. It really is interesting how this pitchfork played out like that. I mean, if it can get back up in here, you can really see how clear what these candle buys are doing, you know? Dude, I dare you, professional traders, to laugh at this video and it freaking just moons. I dare you. Yeah, I didn't go to TA school or nothing like that, you know what I mean? But I mean, just imagine if I was correct. I mean, it looks. I mean, who's going to tell me DigiByte's not going to go up? And then who's going to tell me DigiByte's going to go to zero? Give me a break. But we need to get back up in here, guys. Could you imagine if we got back up in here? Well, let's see. How can we draw that out? Let's see. We'll just do our nifty trend line. Right? Holy moly. Look at that. Let's just go. Right there. It wants to, guys. Look at that. Oh, wait. You know what? There's another line here. Right? It's curving up, guys. See that? It's freaking curving up. I got bad eyesight, bro. Look at that. What is this? Is that what do I see here? What is that? Now that I'm drawing, is this that is this is a twin double bottom. There's no such thing. I'm just making it up, guys. Right? I thought I made a copy of that. Make a copy. I just did. Oh, clone it? There we go. Look at that. Double bottom. Double bottom. Let's go. Oh, yeah. So it looks like there's 3 over here. But there really is only 2, right? Look at this. Ooh. The way I understand it, there's only 2. This low and that low. I mean, if you want to count the wick, that's great. Whoop-de-doo. But for all you guys that are really anal about it, this one's lower than this one. And this one's the next low. So there's 2. And then over here, this is a low and that's a low candle body. That's a double bottom. That's a twin double bottom. Made up the twin part though. So that was all me. If someone wants to use it, go ahead. Freaking use it. I'm not going to sue you. Unless if you get 150,000 Bitcoin, then I want your Bitcoin. I'll sue you then. But anyway, see that? See how it's like hexagoning here? some kind of long 3-wall octagon kind of shape. But look at this, man. It wants to go. So what does that mean? Let me see. Let me try to recreate the next move. It'd be so bullish if this DigiByte just freaking follows this trend line again and then bounces when right when it gets out and confirms it. Right there. Look at that. Oh man, I'm nailing this, dude. If DigiByte does this, we're going way higher, guys. Way freaking higher. Just like it did here. Let's see how many times it touch. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, corner. 1, 2, 1. Okay, this counts for 2 because it climbed it. 2, 3, boom, right there. What if it did? Maybe another 3, boom, then go up. But what if it did that? And then here's our new. If it bounces up here and goes right up in there, I wonder if it'd be like something like this. Hold on. Let me make it look cool. Hold on. I want to cancel it. Okay. Let me make it look cool here. What if it does this? Let's say right there. So the next one would look like that, right? Kind of. Someone's going to watch this and say, I'm never going to watch that dude again. But what if I'm right? I mean, you guys were right here with me. What if I'm right? I mean, I'm no one special. I'm the guy next door. What if I'm right? I'm not gonna rub it in your face like I told you. I called it way back here. But what if I'm right? This is crypto. There are no rules. You can quote me on that. What's this measure move right here? 912% move. Huh. Okay. 912%. Within the realm of 912. Let's see. Was this the bottom right here? Yeah. So 912. Oh no, it wasn't. I'm sorry. Let's get that out. It was right here, right? That's when we started breaking. That would be 800 and 900 and 912. Let's see. 6, 7, 8, 900. There, 916. We get a 916 move from that first pump would be 23 cents. Okay. And then after the 23 cents move, where did we go? Right here. How much more was that? Well, let's do a total then. All right, let's do a total. I can't see. Hold on. Jacked it up. There we go. Oh, whoa. So that was a total of roughly 1283. 1283% move. All right. What, 1283% move. Yeah, about 15 cents, man. Why, Bitrix? Why? Anyway, look at this, man. And then if it does this, guys, if it like hits this median line, dude, if it breaks through there, we're just going straight to 70. Cause I mean, what's stopping it from going up? Nothing. Wait, no, the only thing that's stopping it is 14 cents, right? Let's just get real here. Sorry. 14. Well, dude, like, what? You gotta be kidding me, guys. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? You gotta be kidding. Are you kidding me? No freaking way, dude. This median line is 14, 15 cents. 14, that's 13 cents right there. 14 cents would be, depends on where that wick is. Dude, this is it. This is the previous all time high. We're right there. We're right there. Guys, this isn't financial advice. Am I reading this freaking chart right? Are we just right there? Hold on, guys. I gotta go to the bathroom. I'll be right, or the restroom. Sorry, the loo. Whatever country you're in. Holy crap, dude! Really? Am I really seeing that correctly, guys? Just let me know if I'm seeing this freaking correctly. Did I stumble onto something here? I'm totally blown away with whatever we're doing. I'm including you guys in it, right? Because I do this kind of stuff for you guys, right? Not just me. I'm including you guys in this adventure. Adventure. It's an adventure, guys. Really, it is. Man, look at that. What in the world is this? Are we going there? I mean, this is a wow. I mean, imagine. I can only imagine. No, I'm looking at the chart. I can only wait. I believe we're going to see it, guys. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now? I know professional traders are like, that guy's an idiot. Really? Really? Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry if it's too parabolic for you. There. Am I an idiot? Give me a freaking break. I'll be right back. Are you kidding me right now? Are you freaking kidding me? The rainbow pattern? What's the rainbow pattern? This is a pitchfork, my son. This is a pitchfork, okay? Let me show you how it works. Okay. Okay. Let me just, I want to remove it. Okay. So start from scratch, right? This was DigiByte when it almost went to 0, right? Shoot, we were almost there, guys. Look at that. Freaking almost 0. But anyway, we bounced off 20 point uh 0.0027. All right. So anyway, way less than a half penny, about quarter penny, and we freaking mooned, right? To well, the first one to a little over 2.5 cents, right? And then we went almost to 4. Okay, but anyway, all I was doing was, the reason why I did it back here is because, let's just say DigiByte hasn't even played this out yet, like none of it, right? We're gonna just line it up right there. That looks pretty bullish. Oh, wow, it's going up, guys. Well, how am I going to chart this? Like how would I have known if I was a trader what this is? It's accumulating, it's going up. It could have very well broke down. So it's this little doodad on top left called a pitchfork, right? This is a low, previous low from this high, the peak of this move, okay? Because remember, like I said, it's over here. Let's just pretend DigiByte's right here, okay? And I want to see what the heck this is. Like, okay, where's it going? I mean, because I can draw lines, right? But we got, you click, no, I'm sorry. Rewind. Click the pitchfork. So you go here, it says pitchfork top. I think you can get the shift pitchfork, but modify shift pitchfork, inside pitchfork, pitch fan. But I don't think any of that is relevant. It's just pitchfork. Not relevant in this case. I might play with it later, but anyway. So the peak, the previous low of the peak. Click it, go back to the peak, click it, go down to not the first low, the next lower low. Look at that freaking thing. But actually what it would look like was this, because it's the original. That's what it looked like. It would be like right? And then you're like, no, that didn't do it. Sorry. See, this is all I knew about the pitchfork. I didn't know you can right click the pitchfork, right? And shift it. Boom. It's all lined up, right? Just like I showed you guys before. To the T. Let's see. But I don't think I got it perfect here. Hold on. Let me get it right. Right there. Right there. Okay. And then this one's right there. Okay. Well, shoot. My freaking mouse moved. Okay. Oh, dang it. Come on. Did I get it right? Looks freaking close enough, guys. Right there. Let's just say that's it. Well, one more time. Right there. All right. Anyway, it's called the pitchfork. And I shifted it. It's called a shift, but I shifted it. I took a right click and then it had an option to shift it or modify shift. Let's modify the shift. See what happens. Modify shift. Just went upwards. Nah, I don't like it. Didn't work. It's not lined up. Look, I don't like it. It doesn't line up. It's not in harmony. Let's go back to the regular shift, right? Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay. Anyway, so it told me right here, got rejected from the median line, went down. This is the danger zone. We didn't bounce back up here in these channels, so we fell out of it. That right there, if you were a betting man, to get the hell out. But for me, I was just buying up. Probably smart on my end because, dude, seriously, are you kidding me right now? Are you freaking kidding me? We're right there. That's 14 cents. This is the previous all-time high. We're right freaking there. I'm not making this stuff up. Look how close we are. This is a double bottom. That's all that represents. Let me get rid of it. Come on, let me get rid of it. Okay. I'm just saying, guys, like, wow. We're right there for the 14 cents. I mean, shoot, if we can get there, because look, guys, I added that. I added that right now. This is where we're at. Let's see if it fought its way in there. Oh, it did. Did it fight its way in there, or did I just? Oh, it's getting green, guys. Look at that. It is green. Let's get a little closer. It's freaking green. It's getting in there. See that? It's a green candle, guys. Holy moly. Someone's watching this putting like, well, whoever you are, just put $1 million in. Dang. Let's get it over with. Let's get this show on the road. Let's see. What time would it be? This would be what? China? Japan? Kick it off for us, guys. You guys love... I know you guys love DigiByte out there. Let's do it. See, because this was last time, right? This was in like freaking 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock in the morning, 2 o'clock. And like, someone tried to sell this off, man. Someone halfway across the world. That would be what, China? So, yo, China, see how bullish we are? Just go ahead and buy it. Why short it? Let's do it, right? Let's freaking do it. Come on. I see a green candle there. I see you. I freaking see you. It's about to hit this wedge that we created here from just the trend line. Candle body, candle body. Let's freaking pop up in there. Let's see here. Do I have... I'm just going to see if I... And what if I back out of this? Well, exit full screen. I only got $100 in here, boys. I ain't going to do nothing. I'll tell you what. I buy all the time, just like I'm completely transparent with you guys. But, I mean, this is... I'll just throw the $100 just, just to do it. If we get bounce here, guys, like we get up in here, holy moly, man. So let me get this straight. For all you that are viewing me tonight, what if we do? We got rejected off this line from the pitchfork that I created, right? Just check it out. Follow me. Got rejected beautifully off this bottom of the pitchfork that I used from the previous last year. We went down and we broke up above it. That's really strange because we got rejected. We didn't reach the dotted line, but we got rejected, right? Now we're right on the bottom of that red line again. Okay, and the trajectory is going up. Well, sideways. Well, up. Sideways. Up. Well, pretty much up. Okay. But you get what I'm saying. We're going up. So this, what if we get a bounce and we go through this? The next higher high is right here, right? That would be our next higher high. And we're definitely keeping it green, right? Boom. And then we get rejected. And then we get through this. And then we have a better move. Oh, oh, oh. Get rid of that guy. No, not all drawing tools, you idiot. Not all drawing tools, you idiot. I'll just leave it alone. Just imagine. Just freaking imagine. Back to the drawing board. And then we finally break into our original freaking pitchfork in the blue. Like, this is the cool zone, right? This is like, yeah, buddy, we're going to be like fighting this out for a while. We're at 14 cents. We're going to be like, oh, do. And then we're going to break through this. Oh, yeah. Yeah, magnet zone. Oh, maybe we don't moon right away, you know? Maybe we just freaking go like this for a little bit because we're in the cool zone again, right? Oh, someone trying to sell us off. Oh, we're right back up there now. It's still pretty doable, right? Now issue, dude. Dollar. Oh, yeah, I feel good. I just mapped it out for you guys. Please let me know in the comments if you agree with me. Dang, but imagine though, right? I mean, it's not that far away. Look at, I mean, it's like right there. Like, it's just right there, man. I mean, it's not, I mean, shoot. It's right there. I mean, who's going to argue with me? Like, that ain't going to freaking happen. Let's see what you guys are saying. But really, I don't know if it's going to. I don't think it's going to do all that. Let's just remove that. The way it looks, guys, looks like that. It really does. I mean, just look at the lines I created, just following the trend. And I mean, just it like, you know, I mean, it just looks like the same uptrend. If we don't get rejected from this line, it looks like we're on top of the line, guys. Are we really going bullish here? I'm just saying, man, like, hey, why isn't this working? Here we go. I'm just saying, guys, like, look, it's just sitting there. It's like teasing us. Are you kidding me? Come on, let's get on with it. It's $1, but our first target's actually 14 cents, which is right there, guys, and then 70 cents, and then $1. If we break this dollar, guys, this year, holy cow! I don't even want to start speculating. It's just, Who freaking knows at this point? All right, I'm gonna talk to you guys. See what's up. Wow, you guys talk a lot. I'm just joking. I gotta go back here. See what you guys are saying. Real quick. Let them laugh. We have the DigiByte. That's right. Are you going to be a millionaire if this happens? Script. That's none of your darn business. I don't know, man. I mean, dude, if you're in crypto, I mean, anybody has a chance to make it, right? I mean, if you guys aren't seeing what I'm seeing, do you see what I see? A star, a star. Let's see here. Damn, son. Nice name. Thought that's what he said, but that was his name. Damn, son. I've never seen that rainbow thing too. What do you mean? It's I created the colors. It's just a pitchfork. Let me see. It's just a pitchfork. Like I said, nothing special. I'll show you what I did, but I really like the colors. I really don't want to change them. But like the pitchfork comes pre-colored. You can just rechange the colors. We need like 50 million to 100 million to move DGB. That would work. Well, yeah. That would freaking work. 50,000 ain't going to do nothing. My little $100 trade wouldn't touch it. Yoda candle. Yeah, exactly. Freaking Yoda candle. What? I like Snippy's 3-screen moonshot. Snip? Who's Snips? J Snip? Is that who you're talking about, Gregson? J Snip? Three-screen moonshot. Oh yeah, yeah. You're absolutely right. So let's test that theory out. 3-screen moonshot. Let's just say DigiByte. He's looking at he was talking about like freaking 2 digits, like 2 or something, or double digits, right? But that's $1 right there, okay? That's $1 right there. Okay, let's say DigiByte was $1. Let's see what would he be on. Let's try to give this a okay. Let's try to give it a fair chance. Okay. So we can see it right here, right? Like say JSNIP's standing right here, right? You guys know who JSNIP is, right? He's a realist news guy. He does all the woo woo stuff. Woo woo woo. Woo woo. Talking to spirits, I guess. But anyway. Okay, so how would we do this? So DigiByte's right here. Why is it sitting there? It's still just teasing us, dude. Look at that. It's just sitting there on that red, man. Are you kidding me? It's just sitting there. Green on that red. That line. Is it going to make support there? Wow. It's going to make some support. If that makes support, could you imagine? Just stair stepping its way up. Anyway, let's give it 1. How am I doing this? 2? No, I'm not doing this right. Hold on. So I have to make it normal, right? Okay, I have to make it normal. There's normal. Okay, so I think it's normal. Anyway. Guys, I don't know. J-Snap's freaking weird. 3 back screen. Forget forget all that. 2, 3. Okay, I get it. Wow. Double digits. But he said double digit. Well, that's way up here. Here's $2, guys. Shoot, looking at it like this, man. You're like, all right, guys, we're almost there. But no, seriously, like 14 cents is like right here, guys. Like, are you kidding me right now? It's just there. It's right there. Especially when we get in. If this candle gets support right there, we're going right back into this trend. That's the medium line. The median line is almost, that's 15 cents. The median line. And look how far it goes back to our first, right after COVID-19, the first higher high, or the first high that gave us a peak before we went sideways and made another one. Oh man, it lines up, guys. It freaking lines up. Look at that line. It gets rejected and all that crap. Look at 14 cents right there. And we're right here. Why am I whispering? It's just one of those things. Well, I had fun. But we're there, guys. I mean, I don't know what else to say. Like, I noticed that DigiByte, Tron, Doge, Cardano, they're like on the same like trajectory. Like Cardano's really moved to $1. I'm thinking Cardano is going to reach $1. Actually, this isn't a Cardano channel, but I think it's just going to reach $1 before, obviously DigiByte. But what if DigiByte just did the dollar thing? Like, hey, screw you, Cardano, I'm here first. Just like Doge did the 8 cents or 9 cent thing. Yeah. Screw you, DigiByte. I'm Doge. I can hit it first. But we're right there, guys. We're on 6.5 cents. This is natural. I mean, look at it. I'm on to something. I hope Bittrex doesn't erase it. Doesn't matter. I can remember it. But just remember, guys, before I end the stream, just remember, it's just chilling there. What is anybody buying? Maybe everybody's like in indecision mode. Let's see what the 3-minute looks like, right? Whatever. Just chilling. Hmm. It's a hammer. It's a bullish hammer, guys. Look at that freaking thing. We're going up, guys. It's a freaking hammer. It's clear as day. It hasn't closed yet. Get over here. Close another candle over here. I'd love to see this. And tell me I'm off my lid if this happens. Why is it just sitting there? Huh. Oh, shoot. Can someone please buy this up? I'm playing this colluding. Man, look at that. It just got squashed like a pancake. We need support on that thing, man. I always get like 1 thumbs down on my videos. Do I have one? Do I have a thumbs down, guys, on the video? If so, someone that doesn't like me. I'm gonna check it. No, that's strange. Man, it's a spinning top, man. I mean, I don't know how to call out these candles or whatever, but it's just spinning, man. Give me back my hammer. Let's nail this thing, right? But it's not. Look at all these good moves here, good candle moves, and it's like slowing down. It's like people are like, should I buy or should I sell? How's the book looking? Let me see the book order here. What's it doing? 8 decimals. Let's go to 3. There ain't no one buying, dude. There ain't no one selling either. Are you kidding me? It's super slow. Is there like anybody trading on Bitrix at night? I just saw it move a little bit. Like I just saw these. I just saw. What is it? Does that say? Does that say a billion? What the heck? A billion? If it's slow, guys. Let's see. This person wants to buy at 0.63. Is it about to crack? This person wants to sell at 0.63. How many? Like 100,000, 22,000 DigiByte. This guy wants to buy 93,000 DigiByte. Is there more buyers than sellers? Holy crap. Yeah, guys. Look at the quantity over here with the DigiByte. Dude, I think this is gonna pop. Are you kidding me? Wow. This should pop, guys. Guys, I should just go to bed, you know, and not even worry about this. I think this is gonna pop. Look, the quantity, the total. Look, $1,000, $7,000, $53, $159. Look over here, $6,000. This is the buy, $7,000. Wow, why did it move so much? $7,000, 59,000. Did you see the 59,000? 54,000, 5,000, 6,000, 50, 273, 100, or 1,300, $21,000. Oh, look at the quantity over here. What is it total? 8, 1. Pretty even. Pretty even. Why do they have the quantity here? Kind of threw me off here. Like quantity, total, quantity, total. Okay, whatever, Bitrix. Dude, like, come on, give me Thor's hammer. Give it back to me. There it is. Look at it, Thor's hammer. But it's like we're in the Asian markets now. One of those. Give it Asian Thor hammer. Give us the Asian Thor hammer. Like freaking knock this thing out of the park, man. Oh, the Asian Thor hammer. We're a little bearish. Shoot, we just got rejected, guys. Are you kidding me? Come on. Wow. I shouldn't have called them Asian, man. They got mad. uh, I thought that was like the technical name for it. All right. Give me the dragon hammer. Give me the dragon hammer. Come on, guys. I'm not racist. I'm freaking white. Oh, wait. I guess white people are inherently racist for some reason. And all I have to say is, who says that? Come on, hammer. Well, since I laid it on you thick with the racism, I'm about to end this freaking thing. I hope this turns bullish again. If my theory is correct, guys, we're right there, man. We are right there. I can't erase this. I don't know why. Forget it. Can't erase it. But anyway, we're right there. It's plain as day, guys. DigiByte's so freaking bullish right now. We're going to 14 cents. Let's just get back in these channels. Let's make higher high, higher low, support, get back in the channels. Let's get up in here. Let's get 14 cents. Let's do it. No joke. What's the rainbow pattern called? Yeah, please, anyone? No joke. Thank you. Oh, yeah, it's called No Joke. It's the pitchfork. Yeah, yo, that's pitchfork, man. You see the high and the low looks like a mirror, huh? You see the high and the low looks like a mirror, but the opposite sides. Um, what was that when we were talking about? Yes, yes, yeah. You see the high and the low looks like a mirror, but opposite. Right. So it looks like an A. Yeah, exactly. Looks like a freaking A, man. Freaking A. Or a pyramid. Yeah, that's yeah. So basically, if anybody didn't understand what I was saying, with the pitchfork, if anybody, that A, yeah. So basically, this is what I did. Just remember, all I did was see. This was DigiByte's first peak from the bottom. There's a COVID deal. We broke out. And we made this top. We go to pitchfork. It's right here. It's underneath the line. Just click on it if it's ready. Unless you want, yeah, just pitchfork. Okay. There's a peak. So not here because not this low because then it would look like this, right? It would look like this. You'd be like, where's it going? It wouldn't. It doesn't really match up, and I'll tell you why. It's got to go down here. Okay. Got to be regular right here. This has got to be down here. All right. So let's do it one more time just to show you because I got sidetracked. All right. Pitchfork. Lower low before it gets high right there. From the peak. Is it still broken? What the heck is going on, man? Come on, pitchfork. Whew. Pitchfork. Peak. Still broken. What the heck? Did I break it? Freaking pitchfork, man. Doing a bunch of weird stuff. Alright. Right click that thing. Oh, it was on shift already. You can't do that. Okay. Now shift. Okay, there we are. There we are. Okay, so, alright. Let's bring back to original. Okay, this is pitchfork. You find your low before the high, the peak high. You click it, you click the peak high, then you bring it down to the lowest low before it makes another high, lower high. So that's where your pitchfork belongs. Like for instance, like this. For instance, like this. Come on, let's get with the program. Like for instance, like this. Come on, what in the world is going on? What can't it? All right. Oh, because I'm so close, right? Oh, that's what it was. All right. Now let's bring it back. Okay. Now the trend line's going down. So what does that mean? Well, I can still use my pitchfork because I can figure out why it's going down. There's a peak, right? That's a peak. There's the first lower low, like a lower low, right? High, down here. Boom, look at that. See that? But I want to go, it should look like this, okay? So again, let me try to do this one more time. So you guys can know what I'm doing. Pitchfork. This low before that peak high, okay? It's a clear low. I mean, I can come down here, but there's really no point. All the way down. Why is it broken again? You freaking idiots. Why? I just told it not to do that. Original. Dang. That's what it should look like at first, okay? And then you right click it. And then it goes shift for you. See it shift for you. Okay? And right there's 14 cents. Man, we're so there because we're right here. You can't bring this pitchfork. Let's go original. You can't bring the pitchfork, okay? Over here. It doesn't really work. Let me remove this. Remove all drawing. It doesn't really work this close, right? See? Like, what is that? It already broke out, so you can't, it's invalidated. If these candle bodies break out of your pattern, all right, it's invalidated. I don't know why it keeps going back to this shit. There it is. Okay. So you really got to go. Now you really got to zoom in for it to work. Now, shift that. Still, guys, it broke out. It's invalidated. No longer do you need this pitchfork because it's going parabolic. The more I try to zoom in on this pitchfork thing, the more it tells me each time it's already out. This one might work. Hold on. We're really close, though. I mean, I don't know why we have to get this close. But we're close. It's in. Hey, how about that? Wow, I haven't been this close within the pitchfork before. Huh. So it's staying within the blue lines. the blue channels, following the median. Cool. Cool. Let's make sure it just stays above the median. All right. So we can get our 14 cents. Actually, target's 8 cents, 7.5, 8 cents first. Wow, guys. But if you zoom out, can you really say, I'm going to use the pitchfork? Looks like a freaking. Let's just go to $9. Screw it. That's what the pitchfork says, right? Don't listen to that, guys. I was just joking. All right. All right. Come on. The Asian market's got to turn this thing around. Remember, they're the leaders of the crypto space. They love DigiByte. Make it happen. Make it freaking happen. You know, this is, well, let's see. Well, maybe these are Japanese candles, so maybe the Japanese loves DigiByte. Come on, Japanese. All right, let's see what everybody's saying. Peace out, Script. Good chatting with you. Later, Gregson Wong. London, not Asia. Oh, I didn't know that. Okay. Well, then freaking London better pull their head out of their butt and start buying. Yeah. All right, guys. I'm out. Let's do the. We're right there, guys. I don't know what to say. Like, you can't be any more bullish than that. Higher highs and higher lows. Let's do the outro. Peace.